Yes, we are preparing for our first ever full 24-hour race at High Plains, Colorado in 2 weeks' time. No pressure then. So we are back at IDR and we are preparing the race car for a full 24-hour race. Yeah, not that one. That one. And first up, we're going to be fitting this LED light bar to the front for our lights. I don't know whether it's going to go there or there. I think there. We'll see. We also have additional lighting to light up these sides more. Meanwhile, let's check out the new seat pan. Lowered floor pan. Oh yeah. Cool. Gained ourselves 2 inches of headroom. Seems like somebody's already been busy, and we have side lights already. Nice.
So it twists 180, and so it gives you a nice big flange to flip it with.
Light bar fitted and wired into the cockpit, and now we're just wiring up the these kind of side lights for the apex. Oh, and if you thought my AC was noisy, you want to see this monstrosity. Yeah. Number illumination. We have illuminated numbers. Meanwhile, Josh has been mounting our new switch panel. Nice. So we're all going for little joy rides around Fountain Hills late at night to test the lights out. Alright, David's turn, see what he thinks. So we've dropped the beam down to see if it gives better illumination of the road. Next morning we're back on it. Josh is already ahead of the game with some of the lights. Rick's doing his normal sitting in the corner. We've got Dominic on the phone. We have a roof ventilation scoop. Not as sophisticated as the Stratos by any means, but as per yesterday, Josh and I are working on the car and everyone's... Just saying. I'm working on logistics. So there we go. We got backlights. Huh? Go on then, give it a go. Yay! We have lights. Slight change of plan up the front here, just in case they don't like the light bar. The more the merrier. A little look in the treasure trove. Hiya. Good to see you. Oh yeah, good to see you. Say, I haven't been around for a while. I know, right? No, currently the taillights are wired to the light bar. So if you want to run the lights without the light bar has to be unplugged. Oh wait, actually timing? Since this may be our... Yeah. And the sharper-eyed among you may have noticed that with our new floor pan, which has been dropped a couple of inches, we've also angled it. So we've employed both previous ideas, i.e. by angling it, the seat, that gave us another 2 inches. So we've now got plenty of clearance for good old mighty. All in all, a fairly successful weekend, I think. We are lit up and the seat's in place and 2 inches lower and angled. So we're ready to go. Well, nearly. We've got to sort out an RV and all the other logistics involved, but we're getting there. So, as always, thanks for watching. Beaming to you from IDR. If you haven't already subscribed down here somewhere, give the video the thumbs up. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.